Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Motorola Moto G17 and Moto G17 Power. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP64 rating. Next compare display features. Both phones come with 6.72 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two devices are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer two rear cameras and also 32 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. Both phones include studio speakers Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.